You're watching Fox 4 News at 11.
Another humid night in Southwest Florida.
And all that rain that we picked up today, again, it was one of those days. And if you had a chance to see the sunset this evening, another good one out there.
Wow.
Beauty shot. This comes from Steve Hollinsworth, and he was out in Fort Myers, Iola area. So beautiful this evening, a lot of color, and this happens to be a anti-crepuscular. You see the little shadow above the cloud there? That's what that's called, so that's pretty cool. We did pick up some nice rain in spots today, a 41/100ths of an inch. That was at Page Field, so that is the most that we've had today. A little bit less to the south at Golden Gate. Clewiston picked up under 1/10 of an inch. So tonight, these little showers have died off. We still have a few clouds out there, so mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies, but for the most part, the rain is done. We still have that southwesterly flow, and look what's going on to the north here. We've got an unusual cold front, and I even hate to say cold front, maybe cool front, but it is a cold front. There are waves of low pressure moving along this frontal system. Cooler air to the north, much cooler air, but this front is pressing down, moving down into the state of Florida, and that's going to keep us very wet with that deep moisture coming right across the state. And we've got something also that could develop here in the Gulf of Mexico. When you have a frontal system in the Gulf at this time of the year, water temperatures upper 80s to around 90 degrees. This is something we have to watch. So therefore, the National Hurricane Center has placed a 10 to 20% chance that we could see something tropical develop out of one of these lows that are traveling along that frontal system. This would be over the next 2 to 5 days. So odds are pretty low, but it's something to keep an eye on. So at this point, I have nothing really to tell you about as far as rain. We did have a little shower that was hanging on that moved across northern Pine Island, the Cape. Now it's moved into Charlotte County, but earlier this evening we did have some heavy rain that came right across the station. Had a lot of lightning and thunder with that, heavy downpour. This actually happened in Cape Coral this evening with one little shower that moved over, continued to track on to the east. So that's pretty much done now. Tomorrow morning we'll have more showers that develop along the coastal areas. They will move inland by the afternoon and head over to the east coast and really blow up over there. But that's the scenario that we're seeing right now with that southwesterly flow. We'll have that again on Wednesday into Thursday, and then things will start to change by the weekend. Best chance for rain tomorrow will be in the morning hours, tapers off in the afternoon as those showers move inland, and again on Thursday, looks like starting in the morning and maybe staying with us again in the afternoon. Some of these showers and storms do keep going. 78 degrees right now, mostly cloudy skies, light winds coming out of the east. So as far as our temperatures around the area, it's nice and comfortable tonight. We've got mostly 70s, some 80s down to the south. Didn't get quite as much rain today. So overnight, mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies. Temperatures drop into the mid 70s. Tomorrow, temperatures will be back into the 80s again. So an overnight low of 75 degrees, should stay dry. 87 tomorrow with a southwest wind. Gusts up to 20 though, but watch for those scattered showers and thunderstorms starting in the morning. Your Ingman Marine forecast sees 2 feet, moderate chop on those inland waters, and our temperatures are going to be heating up as we head toward the weekend. Winds shift to the southeast. Showers and storms likely in the afternoon and evening.